Our planet, Earth, a small, vibrant world floating in the vast dark expanse of the universe, a blue and green oasis in the vastness of space. It's a beacon of life amidst the cold, empty void, a tiny speck of dust orbiting an average star. From a distance it seems insignificant, almost invisible. Yet it's the only home we know, a place of incredible diversity and beauty, where life thrives in countless forms. But have you ever wondered where it all began? How did this tiny speck in the cosmos come to be our cradle of life? How this incredible planet teeming with life came to be? The story of Earth is a tale of cosmic wonder and intricate processes. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a chaotic cloud, a swirling mass of dust and gas, seemingly chaotic but full of potential. Dust and gas swirled in the emptiness of space. These were the raw materials, the building blocks of everything we know. This wasn't just any dust, it was the remnants of dead stars, the building blocks of planets. These ancient stars had lived and died, leaving behind the elements necessary for new worlds. Gravity, the master sculptor, began to pull this cosmic material together. Slowly, over millions of years, it shaped the dust and gas into a new form. The cloud spun faster and faster as it collapsed in on itself. This spinning motion caused the material to flatten into a disk. At its center, the sun ignited, bathing the surrounding disk of dust and gas in light and heat. This ignition was the spark that would lead to the formation of planets. This marked the birth of our solar system, some 4.6 billion years ago. From this chaotic beginning, a new order emerged, setting the stage for the creation of Earth and the life it would one day support. Within the swirling disk, tiny particles of dust began to collide. These collisions, initially gentle, grew more frequent and more violent. Gradually, these dust grains coalesced, forming larger and larger clumps. Over millions of years, these clumps grew into planetesimals, small rocky bodies held together by gravity. The early solar system was a chaotic shooting gallery, with these planetesimals constantly colliding and merging. One of these planetesimals, destined to become our Earth, continued to grow. It swept up more and more material, its gravitational pull increasing with its size. The young Earth was a hot, molten ball, constantly bombarded by debris. The early Earth was a hostile and volatile place. Volcanoes erupted across its surface, spewing lava and gases into the primitive atmosphere. The constant bombardment from asteroids and comets generated immense heat, keeping the planet in a molten state. One particularly dramatic collision had a profound impact on our planet's future. A Mars-sized object slammed into the young Earth, vaporizing a significant portion of both bodies. The debris from this colossal impact coalesced to form our moon. The Earth slowly began to cool. Heavy elements like iron sank towards the center, forming the planet's core. Lighter elements rose to the surface, creating the crust. This process, known as differentiation, laid the foundation for Earth's layered structure. As Earth cooled further, something remarkable happened. Water vapor released from the planet's interior by volcanic activity began to condense in the atmosphere. Torrential rains fell upon the cooling surface, forming the first oceans. These early oceans were not the tranquil blue expanses we know today. They were hot and acidic, constantly bombarded by asteroids and subjected to intense volcanic activity. Yet within these primordial waters, the seeds of life would be sown. Meanwhile, the continents were beginning to form. Tectonic plates, driven by the heat from Earth's interior, shifted and collided, pushing up mountain ranges and creating vast ocean basins. The Earth's surface was a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Section 5. Life finds a foothold. The exact details of how life began on Earth remain a mystery, but we know it emerged from these early oceans. In the depths of these primordial waters, near hydrothermal vents spewing chemicals from the Earth's interior, life found a foothold. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms, vastly different from the complex life we see today. Yet these tiny organisms possessed the extraordinary ability to replicate themselves, passing on their genetic information to their offspring. Over millions of years, life evolved and diversified. Photosynthesis evolved, allowing organisms to harness sunlight to create energy. This process released oxygen into the atmosphere, slowly transforming the Earth's environment. Section 6. The Great Oxidation Event and Beyond. The rise of photosynthetic life had a profound impact on Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen, once scarce, began to accumulate. This triggered the Great Oxidation Event, a pivotal moment in Earth's history. For many early life forms, oxygen was toxic. The Great Oxidation Event led to a mass extinction, wiping out countless species. However, it also paved the way for the evolution of new life forms that could utilize oxygen for respiration. This marked a turning point in the story of life. From these oxygen-breathing organisms, more complex life forms evolved, multicellular organisms, plants, and eventually, animals. The tapestry of life on Earth was becoming increasingly rich and diverse. Section 7. The reign of the dinosaurs. As life continued to evolve, so too did Earth's continents. They drifted across the globe, colliding and separating to form supercontinents. These continental movements had a profound impact on Earth's climate and the distribution of life. Around 230 million years ago, the dinosaurs emerged. These remarkable creatures, some small and agile, others colossal and powerful, were perfectly adapted to their environment. They dominated the planet for over 180 million years, a testament to the power of evolution. During the reign of the dinosaurs, Earth experienced periods of intense volcanic activity and dramatic climate change. These events shaped the evolution of life, leading to the extinction of some species and the diversification of others. Section 8. The rise of mammals. About 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event brought the reign of the dinosaurs to an abrupt end. This event was one of the most significant turning points in Earth's history, reshaping the course of life on our planet. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico. The force of the impact was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, creating a crater over 90 miles wide and 12 miles deep. The impact unleashed unimaginable forces, triggering earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires that ravaged the planet. These natural disasters caused widespread destruction, wiping out vast ecosystems and altering the landscape dramatically. Dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into darkness. This impact winter lasted for months, if not years, drastically cooling the planet and disrupting photosynthesis, which led to the collapse of food chains. The impact marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene period. This transition is known as the KPG boundary, a pivotal moment in Earth's geological history. In the aftermath of this cataclysmic event, many life forms, including the dinosaurs, perished. The extinction of the dinosaurs left ecological niches vacant, paving the way for new forms of life to emerge and evolve. This extinction event, while devastating, created opportunities for other species to thrive. With the dominant dinosaurs gone, smaller creatures, particularly mammals, began to explore new habitats and diversify. Mammals, who had lived in the shadow of the dinosaurs, began to diversify and evolve, eventually giving rise to our own species. Over millions of years, these early mammals adapted to various environments, leading to the rich diversity of mammalian life we see today. From small nocturnal creatures to the ancestors of primates, the evolutionary journey of mammals is a testament to resilience and adaptability. This journey ultimately led to the rise of humans, who would go on to become the dominant species on Earth. Section 9. Our place in Earth's story. The story of Earth is a tale of cosmic collisions, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless march of evolution. From the fiery beginnings marked by asteroid impacts and volcanic activity, our planet has undergone a series of dramatic transformations. These cataclysmic events set the stage for the emergence of life, creating the conditions necessary for the complex web of ecosystems we see today. It's a story that spans billions of years. From the formation of our planet from a swirling cloud of dust and gas to the emergence of life and the rise of human civilization. The early Earth was a hostile environment with a molten surface and a toxic atmosphere. Over time, it cooled and stabilized, allowing water to condense and form oceans. These primordial seas became the cradle of life, where simple organisms began to evolve and diversify. As we look back on this incredible journey, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. The interplay of geological and biological processes has created a planet that is uniquely suited to support life. From the oxygen-rich atmosphere to the protective magnetic field, every aspect of our environment is finely tuned to sustain us. We are inextricably linked to this planet, its past shaping our present and its future intertwined with our own. Human civilization has flourished by harnessing the Earth's resources, but this has also placed unprecedented stress on the environment. Our actions today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Earth's story is not over. It continues to evolve, shaped by natural forces and human influence. Climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution are altering the planet in ways that could have profound implications for all life forms, yet there is hope. It's a story that's still being written, and we, as its newest chapter, have a responsibility to protect this pale blue dot, our only home for future generations. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering a deeper connection with nature, we can ensure that Earth's story continues to be one of resilience and renewal. Understanding our planet's history is not just an academic pursuit, it's a vital step in ensuring the survival and prosperity of life on Earth. By studying the past, we can learn valuable lessons about resilience and adaptation, guiding us towards a more sustainable future. The story of Earth is a testament to the power of change and the enduring spirit of life.